All right, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. Nice to have you here, my friends, and thank you for tuning in. We have Rilès. He's back again. He's been with us before a couple of times, just recently with a song called Obvious, now Survival. All right, a strong song, and we have this one chord progression that goes in the same way through the entire song, and we have a strumming pattern. And if you listen to the song at 2 minutes and 8 seconds into the song, that's the time where you can hear this guitar clearly, and the strumming is based upon that strumming pattern. So let's go into this one. The setup here is capo on first. That's the scenario for us, and we have 4 chords, actually 3 chords only to handle here. So let's start with the E minor. So that goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We have B minor next. That's a bar chord where you place the index finger on the 2nd fret and you push down 5 strings, all strings except for the last E here. And then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. And the final chord is A minor. And that goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. All right, so the chord progression goes E minor to B minor to A minor, back to B minor, and back to E minor. That is one round. So it both starts and ends on E minor. Now let's learn the strumming. And we have 2 parts of this strumming because we're going to separate it later. So we're going to start with the first chord, E minor. So if you start there, then the first part of it will be down, down. Just that, okay? So down, down. Okay, and then it continues up, down, up, down, up, down. So down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So part 2 is up, down, a short pause, and then up, down. And then you immediately start the next round again. So a couple rounds goes like this. First 2 downs in part 1, I like to play the first down on the bass string and the next down a little bit on the mid higher string area to have some separation in the downs and some variation in the sound. Anyway, that's how I like it. Now let's go into chord progression again. We're going to play 1 full round of E minor, then 1 full round of B minor, then comes A minor, part 1, the down, down, and then B minor, part 1 again, the down, down, and then you finish off with 1 full round of E minor. So like I said, it both starts and ends with 1 full round of E minor. So a couple of rounds goes like this. Again, E minor 1, B minor 1, A minor part 1, B minor part 1, and E minor 1. And that, my friends, is how you handle Rilès Survival. Good luck with this one. I really enjoyed to do these tutorials, but I really appreciate your support back. So thank you for thumbing up this one if you liked it, and subscribe to this channel. Play tuned.